I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day for Thursday, January 27th. What a week! Yesterday we hit whispers on both sides, up and then down. I'm glad you guys were prepared for that. That's why we map out these trades, by the way, on both directions. You know, I can't tell you where the market's going to go, but I can give you levels if we go up, and I can give you levels if we go down. So always good to be prepared. Let's talk about those levels. So we didn't have anything really big yesterday as far as those late prints, but these are still very much in play. 438.37, 439.58. So I have a swing trade and I have the day trade. So we'll start with the day trades. Bullish above 438.50. And notice this target 439.58, print pong, all right? That would be our target, 439.58, for a retrace to this 8 exponential moving average in black, right? That trade is from the 4 to the 8 for the upward trade. Downside, bear below 431. You know, for the swing trade, if we close above 440, yeah, that'll be bullish. But if we close below 432, we have not done so, that will be bearish, okay? So let's go over to the Russell. Okay, very similar situation. You know, what's interesting, just noticing this actually right now, we have almost a bullish engulfing, and then we have a bearish engulfing. Okay, there's a little bit of confusion going on in this market. All right, so bullish above 199, bear below 193. I went pretty wide. There's lots of levels going on there. It's almost railroad. Yeah, the last couple days. The Qs, we got a new level, big, right here. We have a lot of tech earnings, so let's concentrate there today. 344.58. Currently, we are above that level, but we are below these massive prints right here. So we're in between. So I went below that 344 to 343. That's my bear below, and bullish above 350. Okay. But watch the 351.63. Actually, I would use that as a target. I didn't put that in there, but I would. 351.68. Yeah, why not? I'll do that live. Okay. Yep. Right here is the other dark pool level. All right. So let's go on to the futures. Bullish above 43.60. We've already gone above that. And we're hitting some targets. All right. Next level, if you missed this trade, hold on. I'm just going to check out my pivots. Ooh, oil's moving up too. All right. So just looking at the pivots, yeah, so 43.81 would be another entry level. Above here, there's a lot of room to run. Let's head on over to Nasdaq Futures and bear below 43.20. Bullish above 14.250, and we've gone up already and hit one target. Okay, so watch the 14.300. That's another entry level. Okay, for the Nasdaq Futures. Bear below 14,000. All right, let's go to oil. It's my favorite. Love this oil trade. So much dark pool activity. Look at these things go. Not that I want oil to go up, but we can at least trade it and make money so we can fill our tank. Okay. Bullish above 88. We've already gone above that. We're testing this R1 level. Second test. This came close. This is the second real test. Look at the volume that came in here, right? Yeah, computers are programmed to sell, which is why I use these pivots. Come and join us in our training pit. We show you how to put them on and how to trade them. So you'll see me using them every day. All right. Next level to enter is 88.50. Bear below 86.50. I went real low. I am bullish on oil, as you can tell. All right, let's go to gold. Gold is not having a good day today. All right, we had a big move down yesterday after that. The Fed did not like whatever Powell said. We're going to be bullish above 18.20 and bear below 18.05. We've just triggered that. Okay. 17.98 is the next entry. Let's go to the individual stocks. Tesla. I'm actually surprised that Tesla didn't move more during earnings. Like, I'm shocked. Is anybody else shocked at that? Guys in the Java pit? Who's surprised? Anybody surprised? Otis. Hey, Otis. Otis in the house. Yeah. Right? I watched for a while yesterday. I'm like, how come it's not moving? The earnings just reported. All right, we had dark pool. Massive dark pool activity. We're in between these levels. So that's why I put swing. I don't know if it's going to move a lot today, but I don't want you to miss this trade, okay? Because this is big. So I'm bullish if we go above this other dark pool. They're both very big. I mean, obviously one is tremendous, but for Tesla, they're big. So bullish above 965 if we close strong above that. Yeah, we go long. All right, bearish below 885. If we close weak below that, we go short. Okay, could happen during the day, could be a swing. The targets will change depending on what day it is. Depends where the pivots are, right? These are just today's targets. The moving averages are key though, that 15 EMA on the daily chart, right? We'll trade moving average to moving average. All right, let's go to Intel. Bullish above 52.50. It's getting crushed. Bearish below 49.50. It was very interesting. We don't pay attention to the earnings, but the earnings were very interesting yesterday. Did you guys see that? Yeah. The guidance was, I don't know, the guidance was lowered. Yeah, there was something weird. It was really weird. It doesn't matter. You know what? Just use the levels, use the prints. I put the big prints right here. 54.85. Somebody knew before the earnings, because this happened last week or so, or 2 weeks ago, right? Massive 5 million print, and obviously we're lower. That's the big kahuna. We would have to close above that, above there, really above 50, yeah, 55, for me to turn really bullish on Intel. They sold at the top. All right, this is the day trade though, 52.50, 49.50. Let's go to Xilinx, another chip. Lots of semis reported. So what's interesting with the semiconductors is, you know, one has really bad earnings because they're taking, another has good earnings. They're taking business away from another company. They don't really trade tandemly unless there's a bigger story. But Xilinx, bullish above 191 today, bear below 182.50. McDonald's blaming inflation for their poor earnings. Whatever, we're going to be bullish above 247.50 and bear below 242 for McDonald's. STM also had earnings. Volume finally kicked in. We're going to be bullish above 47. We've already tested it once this morning, so let's see if we can push above it. Bear below 46. STM Microelectronics. Okay, let's go to NEO. Massive dark pool activity yesterday on NEO. Like really big back-to-back prints. I posted that out. So it's going to be a little splashy, but for the day trade, bullish above 23.50, bear below 22.45. For the swing trade, we like to wait a couple of days, and if we're above the prints, above the 8 EMA, we go long. If we're below the prints, we go short. Let's go to AT&T. Also big prints on that one as well. Did not like the bull above trade. So I went pretty high, 25.20. There was just too much interference. 5-minute chart, look at all these moving averages. All right, 15-minute chart, look at all these moving averages. Yeah, it was hard. So I did a trade up to them right here. But bear below 23.98 for AT&T. Apple. big print on Apple. We're going to be bearish below 159, and I have a couple of them, you know, print pong targets here, DP. And then bullish above 162 to ping pong. 164.20 was a big one, but I stopped at 164. All right, so 162, we're actually testing it right now. The trade is to the 8 EMA on this daily chart. All right. Bear below 159. Let's go to XLE. I don't want to miss the oil trade today. Bullish above 66.50. We're heading up there. Bear below 64.50. And Bank of America. Bullish above 46.25. Yeah, we're just testing that area right now. So I would suggest you wait until 9:40, 9:45. Yeah, if we're above it, we go long. If we're below 45.24, we go short, right? The first 10-15 minutes is a shakeout period, so just be careful. I just want to stress that rule. A lot of you are not aware of that. And even if my whisper goes above or below in that time, it counts legally from my department. But I don't want you guys to enter in the shakeout period for a day trade. We exit out of our swings, though. We use it, and I'll be teaching that today again in our boot camp class. So have a great day. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it my secret? My secret.